Contains strong language used in a funny context. Viewer discretion is advised. Is the emergency alert system. The following message is transmitted by Federal Emergency Management Agency. The dead has become a very big target and they are working on another virus to kill Americans. Federal Emergency Management Agency is ordering everyone in their homes until this crisis is over. An unknown aircraft is flying around Long Island, New York. It is unknown if intentional. Don't go outside unless told to by the local authorities. The emergency alert system has been activated. The emergency alert system. The following message is transmitted by Federal Emergency Management Agency. There are unknown sightings of a clown chasing citizens, and these clowns are unknown if intentional. Please don't go up to these clowns as you are putting your life at risk. Stay in your homes until this is over. The emergency alert system has been activated. The emergency alert system. The following message is transmitted by Federal Emergency Management Agency. The clown sighting of 5/27 was intentional. There has been a lot of missing people since. And there was a video on social media of a person walking across a bridge and there was a clown of the clown threatening to kill them. Please, at this time, Federal Emergency Management Agency orders everybody in a 50-mile radius of Long Island, New York to stay in their homes. Do not go outside for any reason. Make sure you have food for at least 12 to 15 days. Lock all door and windows. If you see a clown, hide an interior wall with no windows and lock the door. Make sure you have a battery-powered radio in case of a power outage and tune to 957 AM band. For future updates, the emergency alert system has been activated. This is the emergency alert system. This is an updates on the clown sightings in Long Island, New York. As of 12:05 a.m. there has been a group of clowns breaking into people's home and murdering them in their shelter. These clowns have not been recognized yet. Please take shelter inside of a basement or something that will protect you from this situation. If you see a clown, don't go up to it as they are hostile. If you do, you are putting you and your life at risk. Take shelter in a closet or somewhere you can lock the doors and hide. Remember, bring food to your shelter and a phone, battery-powered flashlight in case of a power outage, battery-powered radio, and a weapon. The emergency alert system has been activated as of 12:15 a.m. The emergency alert system. The following message is transmitted by Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is an update on the clown situation in Long Island, New York. One of the clowns have went to a police station and started shooting police officers. and the rest of the clown's location isn't known at this time. Lock all doors and windows and keep a lookout for 5 clowns. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is the emergency alert system. The clown have been found to have Bosky and Fuji virus, and that these clowns are extremely dangerous and they can kill. Please turn off all AC units and lock all doors and get a battery-powered radio in case of a power outage. Do not go outside and activate it.
The bounty left me. I sent them to terrorize the citizens so I could work on my new virus, so yeah.
This is the emergency alert system. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted by United States government. FaZe Clan, MLG. Some unknown source of frequency caused the emergency alert system to give false information and post it to the public. Believe the dead group caused this emergency. Alert system. The following message is transmitted by Federal Emergency Management Agency. The aircraft in Long Island, New York, Manhattan, New York, Kansas, and South Carolina was all identified as Boeing 767s was hijacked by terrorists, aka the Dead and Killer Clowns. Please take shelter in a basement or bomb shelter. The emergency alert system has been activated. For an attack warning. This is a national emergency. The following message is being transmitted by order of the United States government. Please stand by.